In this episode, we are going to be talking about goods and services. Did you know that everywhere you look, there are goods and services? Goods are things that people make or use to meet our needs and wants. Apples, pencils, and video games are all examples of goods. Services are jobs that people do that meet our wants and needs. A firefighter, a teacher, and a baker are examples of services. Now that we've learned about goods and services, let's see if you can identify if something is a good or a service. I wonder if this strawberry is a good or a service. What do you think? You're right, this strawberry is a good. I wonder if this hairstylist is a good or a service. What do you think? You're right, a hairstylist provides a service. I wonder if this farmer is a good or a service. What do you think? You're right, a farmer provides a service. I wonder if this teddy bear is a good or a service. What do you think? You're right. The teddy bear is a good. I hope you like this video on goods and services. Don't forget to check out my other videos to learn more. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe if you want to learn more.